This is the second video about finding Zippo lighters from the local flea market. Since the year 2017, the Sungai Road Flea Market, that is the largest and oldest flea market in Singapore, had been dispersed, and I had not a clue where these storeholders had been scattered around to. And today, quite thankfully, I managed to locate less than a small handful of them in various parts of the country, and neither did I expect that I could still find treasures like this from those people who used to lay their wares on the streets. Casing built in December of 2005, so this is not considered a vintage as of 2022 right now. Still has quite a snug hinge. We look at the flint wheel, and the existing flint still looks to be in good shape, and it still sparks. That's a good thing. Chimney is very dirty, very black. The insert of the matching year 1 month apart. I'm going to dissect this lighter apart. I'm going to clean it up. Look at that. That's the only remnant of flint left in the lighter unit. Alright, let's gut out the insert. Alright, I figure this wick does not look too badly charred. Maybe some scrub downs will help it even more. I'll now proceed to clean out the soot and flint dust from the chimney interior, as well as do a general cleaning at the inside of the case, but it's looking quite clean to begin with. Overall, it's looking much cleaner than it was. To reach into the nooks and crannies, let me now use a toothpick and paper towels to do finer cleanings. I am pretty satisfied with how it is looking right now. Okay, let's proceed to clean the lighter casing. Okay, spick and span within the casing. I'm now going to repack the insert with these original components as they are, but wait a minute, I'm yet to clean the tip of the wick since I don't see a need to trim it. Okay, let's reassemble this lighter and breathe life back into it. I'm now ready to fill the lighter. Okay, my dear friends, this is the moment of truth to find out if this lighter, for who knows how long, is ever firing again. Look at that. Beautiful. This lighter is alive once more. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this sharing and appreciate the process as I go through after finding Zippo lighters like this in used conditions. I hope all of you stay safe and have a great one.